is that the material is reflecting and refracting at the same amount everywhere. So it's not, we show you this image multiple times, it's not doing a strong Fresnel effect. So I want to force that, I want to make that more obvious, I want to make that specific for a transparent glass. So if I go to this website, right, here, I can go and say, I want to see 3D glass, right? And I want to get, for example, let's say, where's my glass, my glass, my glass. Woo, keep jumping, right? Like soda lime glass, right? And see all the data on how that glass reflects and transmits light and everything. This is all the the physics behind how that material reflects and behaves, right? So there is a section for 3D materials, right? And there is a section for glass, and there is a section for clear glass, right? So again, I just selected here on the top 3D, and I selected glass, and I selected soda lime glass, which is the clear glass, right? If I go down here, you see how it tells me the refractive index? So this is the index of refraction, which I'm going to go here on my Hypershade. I'm going to go to my glass, and remember I put like a 1.56. So at this time I just got to copy that value. So that's a 5.2. So I'm going to put 5.2. So this is the glass or the clear glass that I'm making. So the index of refraction is the one that I'm going to put here, 1.52. Right? The other thing is I'm going to keep going down, 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 down. And here, you see how I'm getting